how to remove items from cart on Temu. This tutorial shows you how to delete products from your shopping cart before checkout. First, open the Temu app on your Android device. Next, tap on the cart icon at the bottom of the screen to view your shopping cart. Following that, you'll see all the items you've added to your cart displayed in a list. Now, find the item you want to remove from your cart. Moving forward, look for the checkbox or circle next to each product. Afterwards, tap on the checkbox to select the item you want to delete. In addition to that, you can select multiple items at once if you want to remove several products. Once there, look at the bottom of the screen for the Delete or Remove button. Subsequently, tap on Delete or the trash icon to remove the selected items. Moreover, Temu will ask you to confirm that you want to remove these items from your cart. Afterwards, tap on Confirm or Delete to finalize the removal. Then, the selected items will be immediately removed from your shopping cart. Within your cart, you'll now see only the remaining items you haven't deleted. Alternatively, you can also swipe left on any item to reveal a quick delete option. Once you swipe, tap on the Remove or Delete button that appears. Then, if you accidentally remove an item, you can go back to the product page and add it again. And that's it. If this cart management guide helped you organize your Temu shopping, give it a like, subscribe for more shopping app tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.